Follow the steps on how to make a color gradation background with a paper texture in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started with creating a new document. You can follow the size of this artboard. Press M and create a rectangle. Fill with black. Lock layer 1 and create a new layer. Make a rectangle again. And add gradient color. Go to File, Place, and insert the paper texture image. You can download it for free at freepik.com, link in description. Press Ctrl+C to copy the texture and move it out of the artboard. Prepare transparency panels. If it doesn't appear, you can bring it up through the window and click Transparency. Selection. Click Make Mask. Click on this and press Ctrl+V to paste. And click this to close editing. You can also change the color. Finished. Okay. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.